Sean's with Go Crypto Investing. A quick look at the XRP price. As you can see, we've been in this continuous bear market for quite some time. After we had blow off top pump hysteria number one back in 17 and early 2018, then we had huge bear market, bunch of coins being created and diluting the market through the 2.5 year bear market. Big rally in the most massive crypto pump in crypto history, but we came up 43%. Or let's look at this for an exact measurement. From the peak up here, we came to the wick 40.5% below the previous all-time high because of all the new coin creation in that time. Had the big pump, but notice the volume was significantly less than the volume back there. I believe, yep, look at that. See the volume back there? The volume up, but nowhere near it. Same thing with the price, nowhere near it because of the overall coins creation, and you just couldn't generate enough new hype to pump it. But then we came out of this big symmetrical triangle consolidation that we were in for 12.5 months. We predicted it to break down to a technical target down here in the daily time frame. You can see the technical target of 18 to 20 cents that we put out there in the summertime of 2021, and we thought it would clear it by the end of 2022. It was a 1 year forecast. It came almost all the way down, but then we got caught in this long sideways consolidation in another symmetrical triangle similar to the one that was back there, and now we're getting near the apex. That used to be the main word in the crypto sphere in the technical analysis world about 24 months ago, but all them charlatans have moved on to other things. And you can see right now we came right back down after we got rejected up here about a week and a half ago, and we told you we would come all the way down more than likely. We would more than likely come all the way down and retest lower support, and then we could come back up to that 37 cents, that critical 37 cents that we've been talking about for several months, 3, 4, 5, or even 6 months now, and now we're getting above it to the moving averages. Now what's most likely to happen is you could retest up here, but then you would come right back down again, or you're going to straggle out in these moving averages, and then you're going to come back down and retest this lower support. As you can see, the volume is just doing nothing. You had the little spike here on the most recent bear market pump from lower support to upper resistance when we called that Tuesday, reversal Tuesday down here, and we came all the way up to the top. And then we told you you'd more than likely come all the way back down to support, and you did. So you're still trading within this range, and we're waiting for a confirmed breakout because that's the next major move when you break down past this symmetrical triangle sitting here at about 36, 35 cents, and you would quickly come down to 32 cents like this, and then you could come back up and retest that triangle to confirm a breakdown. Then you come down to the 29 cents, and then that starts a huge capitulation as soon as you break this 32 to 29 cents, which is the VP, VIX volume profile indicator, and there will be a major capitulation event as soon as you break down from there. And I'm forecasting in that capitulation, which you need to watch out for, is a price move down to about 9 to 12 cents, right? So that's what we're watching out for there. The Bitcoin price, you can see it continues to get rejected, and we did come down almost to that 19,049 where we're saying you could get a bounce, and we came very close to it, right? And we did bounce, and now we're getting a little return rally up to the moving averages, and if there's not enough momentum, you're just going to get rejected up where we have this, moving averages in the longer time frame, and it's going to get rejected and come back down and get back within this area over the next few days. So that's what I'm watching. Can you break this moving average right here at 22,011 cents? If not, you're going to get rejected and look like that, and that's what we're currently paying attention to. And the Bitcoin price and some of the shyster coins, AGIX, I tried to tell you guys that this was eventually going to come back down after it had its huge pump. It's been a while now from back here after we finally broke out of this trading range that we were in for a long time down here, and it pumped all the way up to the 65 cents, and now it's starting its retracement, and it'll one day be all the way back down to the mean, back into this blue trading zone that I've been warning about ever since the pump. I told you not to chase it, and right now from its swing high to current price, it's down 48.369%, and this thing's going to continue to trade down. More than likely, after it fails to hold this, it's coming down here on the next major move to the downside, and I would predict a quick move of another 50% down from the current price. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.